Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new kit that Doreen from Oohlala Vintage Treasures has out. And this is her pink Parfait cafe kit. And so she has this is the collection, and she has a few different kits in the collections. I did not print everything out. I printed a lot of it out, but not every single piece. But we'll take a look at, see what we got here. We got a few kits there. This is the ephemera kit. And don't these look just so real? They just pop out on that page, don't they? Aren't these cool? And these can be used for anything. Just print them out, cut them out, and keep them in your stash and use them. This I printed on pink paper because I ran, or pink card, because I ran out of the cream card that I always use. But I like how it turned out. Those would be nice tuck spots. And look at the words. And I think I'm going to reprint these and print it two to a page. So then they'll be smaller. I like how this looks on this pink card. It's blush. Very nice. And here it is on the cream that I used. I bet it would really pop on white. I think I printed a couple things on white cardstock. Aren't these just gorgeous? And let your imagination just run away with it on what to do with all of these awesome elements. Those are so pretty. So that is the Pink Parfait Cafe Ephemera Kit. And the next one we have here is the postcards. She always does postcards, and this is on white cards, 65 pound. So that looks nice. So these are so pretty. These are great journaling cards. Look at them, and those could be cut out and used individual. So pretty, so pretty. And this is Tall and Skinny Ephemera. So again, these are on white cardstock, 65 pound. You can get it from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Love that. Love that too. So pretty. The colors are so vibrant. Look at those. Aren't those cool? These are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at those. I would love to see what you guys do with this kit. Here, this is on pink. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. All right, let's see what we have here. This is the regular journal, and I printed it on 2 sides. Love the pinks in this. Everything just pops out of the page, doesn't it? Gorgeous. So how has everybody been doing? I know we got some cold weather in, so I know everybody else had to have. So I hope you're staying warm. Kicking back by the fire. And then these are washi strips, and I did not back those. And then this is the tall and skinny. And these are double-sided. And I like that she uses different papers. That way I can add in some of the other papers. I don't know what I'm going to make yet. Love it. And this last one is the mini kit. It is mini journal. And I think I'll make a mini journal out of it. Something different. And bows, we can always count on bows from Doreen, which is awesome. And those should be on cardstock. I like them better on cardstock. These are very cute. I like these. And look at this. I couldn't help but print these out. And then we have a lot of elements to play with. These long ones are great for twisted tangos. I might print on the back side of these. As soon as I figure out for sure what I'm doing with them. Like those should have a backing. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And then we got some tickets. I'm just amazed at Doreen's the way that she can put these kits together. And she has like one a month. She's just amazing. So all her links will be down below. Go check out her Etsy shop. Get the kits, get this collection, and then go over to her Facebook group and show us what you make with it. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.